How to make yourself an administrator in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu and search for Control Panel application. Simply double tap on it or click on Open, and shortly the window of Control Panel will open on your screen. Once it does, go to View by option and choose the option of small icon. Then after, go to User Account. Now, the local account has been chosen here. If this is not your account and if you want to add a new account as a local account in your device, go to Start menu and click on the account at the bottom left corner. Once you do, you will see the option of Sign Out. Then after, log in with your Microsoft account. After that, go to Change your account type in Control Panel again. There you simply need to choose the option of Administrator and then you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.